What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning remote key fob. So this Ford F-150 Lightning key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down and take a look at the bottom of it. And we can see there's this kind of long slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot like that. It only goes in that far. Then I'm going to angle the key up and use it to push up on that back cover like that. And once that back cover's off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver, even something like with a point on it will work. You just want it to fit down in this notch right here. That will allow you to get under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Once we have our old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this outer edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we'll grab the back cover. And if you notice, this part of the back cover has a little tab right there. I'm going to slide that tab in first, like that, and then snap that back cover down, slide my emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.